Filmora versus Veo 3 AI video generators. Choosing the right tool can transform how you create stunning videos without wasting time on complex editing. Filmora offers versatile editing, while Veo 3 focuses on AI-driven automation. Filmora and Veo 3 are powerful AI video generators, but their core difference lies in control versus automation. Filmora blends traditional editing with AI features, while Veo 3 emphasizes fully automated video creation powered by advanced AI models. Filmora is a comprehensive video editing platform that integrates AI tools to simplify the creative process. It offers a user-friendly interface where you can manually edit clips, add effects, and enhance videos with AI-powered features like auto-captioning and scene detection. Filmora works by combining traditional timeline editing with AI assistance, giving creators control over every detail while speeding up routine tasks. Its strengths include versatility, a wide range of templates, and compatibility with various media formats. However, it requires some familiarity with editing concepts and may involve a learning curve for beginners. Filmora is ideal for content creators who want to balance creative freedom with AI efficiency, especially those producing YouTube videos, tutorials, or marketing content. It suits users who prefer hands-on editing but appreciate AI tools to boost productivity and polish their work. Veo 3 is an AI-first video generator designed for fully automated video creation. It uses advanced AI models to analyze raw footage and automatically generate polished videos with minimal user input. Veo 3 works by processing video and audio data to identify key moments, apply transitions, and add effects based on AI-driven templates. Its strengths lie in speed, ease of use, and the ability to produce professional results without manual editing. This makes Veo 3 ideal for users who need quick content generation, such as social media managers, marketers, or businesses with limited video editing experience. However, the automation limits customization options and detailed control over the final product. Veo 3 is best suited for those prioritizing efficiency and simplicity over granular editing, delivering ready-to-publish videos in a fraction of the time traditional editors require. When comparing Filmora and Veo 3, Filmora excels in offering creative control with AI enhancements, making it perfect for users who want to craft unique videos with detailed edits. It fits well for YouTubers and educators who value customization. Veo 3, on the other hand, shines in speed and automation, ideal for marketers or social media teams needing fast turnaround without deep editing skills. The trade-off is between Filmora's flexibility and Veo 3's simplicity. Filmora demands more time and some editing knowledge, but rewards with tailored results. Veo 3 delivers efficiency and ease, but with less opportunity to fine-tune. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize creative control or rapid automated production. Choose Filmora if you want a versatile AI video editor that balances manual control with smart features for detailed, high-quality video production. Veo 3 is the best choice if you need fast, fully automated video creation with minimal effort. For streamlined workflows and quick publishing, Veo 3 delivers professional results efficiently, making it a strong option for businesses and social media content creators.